why this birthday is so important than the rest of the 20 birthday. That's my message to you. I want to see you as a Prime Minister of Canada. In 2038, Mr. Minhal will be on the driving seat of Canada. अगर आपको मेरी ये छोटी छोटी वीडियो और मेरी छोटी छोटी टिप्स आपकी जिंदगी में चेंज कर रही है, लाइफ विद मंसूर यूट्यूब पे जाएं, हमें सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू। माय नेम इज मंसूर नकवी, आई एम द प्रेसिडेंट एंड सीईओ ऑफ एमबी ग्रुप ऑफ द कंपनी। आज का मैसेज हमारे लिए, ऐसे बड़े मैसेज मैंने आपको दिए हैं अपने तमाम व्यूवर के लिए। आज मुझे मैसेज जो है हमारे मिनहाल अब्बास नकवी, ही इज माय ओनली सन, and he is doing very amazing job with us, and he is turned 21. Number one, Mr. Minhal, happy birthday. Why this birthday is so important than the rest of the 20 birthday? That's my message to you, for my all audience and for my all viewer and for my all family. देखिए, लाइफ में जब बच्चा आपका बड़ा होता है और जब वो एक शऊर पे पहुंचता है, तो पेरेंट्स की विश लिस्ट क्या होती है। पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि बच्चा पेरेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करे, एल्डर की रिस्पेक्ट करे, और जो एक सफ़र अगर किसी पेरेंट्स ने एक जर्नी तय की है, देन ही विल बी अंडरस्टैंड the value of that journey. And I'm so lucky and proud that Mr. Minhal is taking over a lot of responsibility and a lot of thought process with me. And he's not just inspired me only, he inspired Mr. Mahmood Naqvi with by heart. He inspired my whole employees all over the world. Pakistan, Canada, everyone. And everyone is not respecting him because he is the Mansoor Naqvi's son. They are respecting him because of his attitude and because of his hard working. तो आज का जो मैसेज मेरा है तमाम पेरेंट्स को, कि अपने बच्चे को आप जब ट्रेन करें, जब किड्स आप जब ट्रेन करें, तो उसको अपने शोल्डर के साथ लेके चलें, उसको ट्रू वैल्यू को बताते हुए चलें। मैं इसी हैप्पी बर्थडे के अनाउंस में कि ही इज गेटिंग अ 21 ओल्ड, आई शेयर माय थॉट विद माय ऑल व्यूअर एंड लिसनर। आई नो दिस इज द keep recording this one on YouTube, and if I alive or not, I don't know, but I'm taking this journey for next 15 years, and I'm giving a message to Mr. Minhal today, gift that I promise you, because of your ability, because of your hard working, I want to see you not just on small scale. I want to see you as a Prime Minister of Canada. And I know it is a journey. I know it is a hard way to go. I know it's a tough task to go. I know the people laughing, they dream big. But I am telling you, this is Mansoor Naqvi. I'm telling you, I will take the Minhal as a Prime Minister of Canada. Minhal, happy birthday. Take my message and start the journey the way it is. You don't have to do anything more what you're doing. The only thing you have to do, think every day how you help the people, how you honest to the others, how you humble to the others, how you intervene to the public. And I'm telling you, we are all behind you, and we have a trigger on already. 15 years time, 2023, we are heading on for sure. I will not say anything, say I wish, I will not say that. In 2038, Mr. Minhal will be on the driving seat of Canada, and that's a vision. I'm looking for it. So this is my gift to you. Nothing else I can do more than that. Thank you once again. I hope you will take my video very seriously and to take as a gift and move to the next level. Thank you, Mr. Minhal. And also one more thing before I go, my wife going to kill me because she is not here. She also says, give the message to me, say Minhal, a lot of love, and whatever we are thinking, Seher and me also have a same thought process. So me and Seher have a same message, that keep doing what you're doing and keep respect to the elder, not just your parents. Keep respect to the elders and always respect to the others. Thank you. This is Mansoor Nakvi.